Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carolyn. Today we're going to make Ninjabread cookies. Hi-ya! You will need unsalted butter, sugar, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, flour, and of course, you'll need the Ninja cookie cutters. Use 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Next, mix together until light and fluffy. If it gets stuck on the whisk, you can take it off with a spoon and continue mixing. Add 1 egg into the mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then continue mixing. Next, put 2 1/4 cups of flour into another bowl. Add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir it with the whisk and then add the dry ingredients to the mixing bowl a little at a time. Mix by hand with a spoon and repeat until all dry ingredients have been mixed in. Next, get a board and sprinkle some flour to keep the dough from sticking to it. Take out a little batter and roll it into a ball. Flatten the ball. Sprinkle more flour on top of the dough, then use a rolling pin to flatten it, but don't make it too thin. Get your cookie cutters and cut out the shapes you want. Put the cut-out cookies onto the butcher paper on the cookie sheet. I'm going to put these into the oven that I already preheated to 350 degrees. Bake for about 8 minutes. Take them out when the edges turn slightly brown. These came out great! After 5 minutes, you can move them to a cooling rack to finish cooling off. Hooray, we did it! Now it's time for part 2, decorating. Look at all these cookies. I can't wait to decorate them. To make the icing, you'll need food coloring, a bowl, powdered sugar, and meringue powder. You'll also need a spatula, decorating bags, and the icing tips. First, add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then, add 3/4 a tablespoon of meringue powder. Then, add 1½ tablespoons of water. Mix them together. It might take a while to make it smooth. When it's well mixed, it should look like this. You can put it into an icing bag. Now we're ready to decorate. If you want other colors, you can make another batch and add a couple drops of food coloring. These ninjas are ready to go. Can you spot 2 cookies that are misshapen? Hello, welcome to Cooking with Carolyn. This is my first video today, so I don't know. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carolyn. And today I'm gonna make a new recipe that wait.
Actually, let it count to 2 or 3. can say this before you start.
Daddy!
No, you're good.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carolyn. Today we're going to make Ninjabread cookies. Hi-ya.
Substitute, fill in for Carolyn.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carolyn. Today, we're gonna make Ninjabread cookies. Let's do this! Hi-ya!
Cut!